My favorite thing with Justified, my favorite feature of Justified is the comparative tool. We're in a market that's very, let's call it competitive. And due to that, there's been a wide variance of estimating ability in this market for such a long time that there's been a weird standard created now for us. Some line items now all of a sudden are just deemed as not worthy to be payable in my market. I find myself justifying the use of line items even per the definition sometimes when I have to deploy them, right? So I get a comparative tool back that won't have something that I would require to do a particular job. Let's say a reconstruction, for instance. They don't want to give me the extra texture so that I can, properly blend in the texture patch on the drywall, right, before we're going to paint the whole wall. So rather than typing that out for the 5,000th time in my life, now I've got a thing that types it out for me, and the system can even email the adjuster for me too. I don't have to do any of this stuff.